having afternoon tea on the River Thames, and it is so fun and exactly what I want to do with my best friend in town.
Having champagne, we're having our tea, we're having all these wonderful, awesome cakes and pastries. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else right now.
It's like my heaven. And it's a
Literally,
beautiful
literally.
view on the river, and so many people suggested that we do this. So many people said it was their favorite thing that they did while in London, so I'm glad we get to experience it together.
And then we have Corbin.
Who's taking our photos, so very useful, very practical to
Very
have.
useful. Thank you so much.
Okay. What were you saying this reminds you of?
So, when we were boarding, I was just thinking about the river cruise from The Office when they all did their like office parties. Biz cruise!